So friends, this is my one of the Facebook page. Okay. So then this is the ads manager and this is the ad center. This is the meta business suite and professional dashboard. This is a professional dashboard is one of the new inventory of the Facebook. Okay. Here also you will get some details regarding people have, how many people have visited to your website, everything. Okay. Your dashboard, everything. Okay. You can open this one. You can also open this one. See, this one ads manager is normal ads manager. Meta business is different thing. I will show you. I will show you. See here, for example, if you come up here, you will be having, see, facebook.com, the professional dashboard will look like this. Okay. Welcome to professional dashboard. What you will have here, your page, your content, your audience, your ad center, invite people to connect. Okay. So my post page overview, how many pages, how many followers I have, I can see from here. Okay, 1785 followers, post engagement 59 people, new page likes are zero, new page like that means people not have liked our page, new page likes. Okay, and here post reached recently. I have posted one thing. The reach is 256. Okay, so contact for more details. These are the some people, some recent content what we have posted. This is the video we have posted like that. Okay, all our postings we can see from here. Okay, we can see whatever the things we have posted previously, each and everything history we can see from these here content. Okay, you can also select 90 days or 1 month or 62 months, 3 months, 7 days like that. Okay, here date wise also we can see here. Okay, everything is possible. So now here and achievements are creating reels. You can see here inspirational hub is there, events are there, page access. Okay, we can give the page access to someone or we can take the page access of others also. Okay, if you go to the meta business suite here, you this is the meta business suite we have. Okay, this is the meta business suite. This is our client meta business suite. This is our client's meta business suite here. See, some people now the ad is going on. Uh, our ad is going on. Our ad is presently our ad is also now going on. One of our client has put some ad here. So we can see the counseling is going on. How many people have shared some messages also came to client. Okay, so these are the dashboards. Okay, we have taken the access of the our client. Okay, pages. Okay, this is Instagram. This is the okay everything. Charming girl. One of the person has been get connected to the client. Okay, so these are the people's engagement with the client. Okay, nearly 55 to I hope some 112 engagements have been done from the previous record. One recently the client has asked me. He came up with a engagement, and he told that just he got for spending 5,000 rupees, just by spending the 5,000 rupees for this client. I got 112 connections among them. And so he was engaged with the two pro customers. And from them, just from these two people only, he earned more than 70,000. Can you imagine? Because this one session, 1 hour session is 1,000 rupees. So he, from one client, he engaged with 50 sessions. And from other client, 20 sessions. Still, they are in engagement only. So 20 plus 50 is 70,000 earned 70,000 rupees he earned just from the one or two connections. And there are 112 connections he got. If he follow all of them, and if he have a good customer relationship management with all of them, definitely there is a scope of increasing of 70, at least 70% conversion is possible from 112 all the clients. Okay. I hope you understand, friends. So now, so this is the business.facebook.com. This is the interface of the business.facebook.com. Everything is here possible. Okay. Yeah, and we can also go to the settings here. Okay. We can also go to the settings again. We can see the uh, dashboard, everything here. So these are the partners, peoples. So like that, here it will look. Okay, this is my account. If I wants to connect with another accounts, I can also connect with the other accounts. Okay, so this is, for example, this is my business page. Okay, I can open that page also, and I can have people engagement with invite people. If I send an invitation, so if for example, see here, this is every business owner will be having three things: his name, business name, email ID, and the business ID number. So if I enter someone's business ID number here, and if I invite him, automatically the person will get an invitation from the mail. On his dashboard also will get the invitation, and from the mail also will get the invitation that someone has asked them. Some people have asked to have invited you. Okay, like that. So I can make the partners as well. Okay. So from the partners, uh, this part I can create connections with the people. I mean, if for example, if you are my client, okay, these are my previous clients. Huh? Okay. So I can have the engagement with these people. Your partner as request has been sent. So people, uh, I can add the people here, my partners. Okay, I can add people here. Okay, have you seen here? Give a partner access to your ads, ask a partner to share their assets. For example, if I click here, then what happens here? I am going to ask my partner to share his assets with me. Get started now. So I will enter his name, his email ID, and business account ID. If I enter all of these three things, and his choose one of the role. Which role I want? I am a media agency owner or brand or business. So I will need what role? I need the owner. I mean admin. Okay, brand or business. Choose one. Okay, the partners rule. That means what is my partner? My partner is a business or a media or other partner. He may be a business or media agency. He will be also other any business partner. So I can select anything, and then if I click here, an invitation will be sent to the client, and that someone has asked the request as a partner. So if he clicks here, okay, then what happens? I can manage his complete business can be added here like this. Okay, all these are the things have been added by sending the what the request by sending the request. How I have sent the request here. Okay, if I am going to manage my partner, my client business, then I have to select these options. If I would like to give the my business access to some media agency, then give a partner access to your assets. So give a partner access to your assets. These option I have to choose. I hope you got the clarity. If you are a digital marketer, business owner, and if you want to run the businesses of your clients, then you have to select these options. You have to ask the partner to share their assets. Okay, if you are a client, mean you are a normal person, and you do not know how to run the ads on the Facebook, and you are hiring some business owner, digital marketing agency owner to run the ads on behalf of your page, then you have to give the partner access from here. Okay, so like this, in detail we will learn the later. Okay, so and then pages here also we can select the pages. What pages? See, presently these many of pages I have. If I would like to add some more pages, then what happens? Create a new page, Facebook business page, or claim an existing Facebook business page, request or share a Facebook business page. Okay, if I want someone's business page to manage, I can select these options. Okay, and then his business, if he give all the people's details, then his page also will be added here. Okay, like that. And these are the ad accounts. Okay, presently these are the my ad accounts. One is Digisoft Shop ad account, Digital Software Shop ad account is there. Okay, so this is my what this is the main account, my main account. Okay, and the business assets are the groups. What are the business assets or groups I have? Okay, and what are the apps we have? What are the accounts we have? WhatsApp account, Instagram account. Okay, business assets. These are the one of the my business page, right? This is my business page. So this is the one of my asset. Okay. I can also assign the people. I can also assign the partner as well. Assign the assets. Okay. Digital Nizamuddin. I'm managing this one, right? So it becomes my business asset, one of the business asset, my one. Okay. I can earn some more business assets like that also. Okay. So agency, owner, everything I can select and I can manage. Okay. So this is the dashboard, friends, meta business. So will look like that. And here from here also, if you would like to add the Facebook ads from here also we can go, or from the see, and other things are Instagram accounts. I can also connect the Instagram account. If I have Instagram accounts on my account, then I can select the Instagram account of mine and I can add here. Okay, Digital Shop Instagram account. This is login needed. If I click here, I can add the Instagram account as well. Okay, from here also I can add, or I can also remove the Instagram account as well. Okay, so I can add and I can remove. And here under the data sources, we will be having the catalog of all the products and the pixels. Pixels means every domain, every business page will be having some pixels. Okay. So how to set up the pixel, how to set up the pixel ID, everything we will see in the upcoming classes. Offline assets are also there. Data centers, data sets are also there. Okay. So these data sets, see, see, all the data sets belongs to all the businesses, whatever we have, we will be having the data sets. Okay. So for every business page account, we will be having the data sets. Under these data sets, what will comes, all the business assets, everything will come. Okay. So we will discuss all the details in the upcoming classes later on. And here brand safety, domains, domain verification we have to do, and integration means here connected apps and leads, assets, and we can also integrate our Facebook business to some other automation tools. Okay, Zoho, CRM, customer relationship management, so many things are there. Okay, under the automation process, we have so many things. Okay, we can directly integrate all of those to the Facebook businesses. Okay. And then billing and payment here. From here, we need to add the business, I mean, our ad account, I mean, our bank account, etc. Okay. If we add the bank account details over here, we will be able to add the budget to our ad accounts. Okay. If you have, see here, see my billing and payments, if you come up here, these are my payments here. These are the ad accounts I have created. Okay, this is one, this is one. And the payment methods, billings, payment methods, these are my payment accounts are there. Okay. So presently, these are, I can add the add payment here and I can add the payment directly. I can add the funds here. Presently, in my current account, balance is zero. It is showing here. Okay. So from these